Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the courses we offer. Last weekend I went to a rather wonderful ELT conference in Malta. ELT stands for English Language Teaching, by the way, for those of you that didn't know. And on the Sunday morning I flew home, landing at London Heathrow, from where I got the tube home. And as I was sitting on the tube, there were two teenage kids opposite me, talking very enthusiastically about their favourite Marvel movies and their favourite superheroes. Sitting next to me, on my left, were two middle-aged women, I guess about the same age as me. And they were obviously also eavesdropping on the kids' conversation, because at one point they looked at each other and laughed, and one of them said, "I tell you what though, I do like Thor." To which her friend replied, "Oh, me too. What I wouldn't give for 2.5 hours with Chris Hemsworth." Chris Hemsworth is the actor who played Thor in the recent movie of the same name. Quite why the woman chose 2.5 hours, a very specific period of time, I'm not sure. But if you say what I wouldn't give for something, you basically mean you want that thing really badly, even though probably you can't have it. So maybe you're sitting at work, it's boiling hot, you've still got 3 more hours of the day to go. You look out of the window, the sun's beating down, you're sweating. You turn to your colleague and say, "Oh, what I wouldn't give for a cold beer right now." Maybe sometimes you see other people being horrible to somebody, maybe bullying someone or pushing someone around, and you think to yourself, what I wouldn't give for superpowers right now so I could go over and sort that out. There might be those among you who are fans of groups who've split up, like, I don't know, Oasis or something, and maybe you see a video of an old song by that band and you think, or you say, or you tweet, what I wouldn't give for an Oasis reunion. And maybe sometimes you wake up and you get on the bus and your friend phones you and you're half asleep and they ask how you're doing and you say, "God, yeah, I'm okay, but God, what I wouldn't give for another hour or two in bed." And probably, if you're anything like me, you watch the news day after day and soak up the unrelenting horror of the world, and you think, what I wouldn't give for one day of normal, boring news. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues on social media. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of what I wouldn't give for something.